in the spiritual path also, certain visions may come to you. Certain hallucinations can happen to you. Because your visions are not very clear, they can get mixed up with latent impressions in the mind and desires in the mind. Just like in dream. So you may hear or you may feel certain things which are not complete truth, but not complete false also. That is Maya. Maya is what? That you cannot discard this is false because there is a lot of truth in it. And you cannot take it this as truth because it has lot of flaws in it and false in it. It's like a cup of sand and sugar thoroughly mixed. You cannot discard it, it is sand because it is sugar. And you cannot use it as sugar because it has sand particles in it. This is called Yogamaya. So on the path, many times your visions need not be true and need not be false also. It is, the more and more purity comes, it is the mixture of intuitive thought and hallucination. This is Yogamaya. Somewhere in between. So once, twice, thrice you may find it completely right. So when you find it so right, your trust in it grows more stronger, and then anytime there can be something which is not right. Tell you one lady who is meditating for a long time and a very pious person, she kept having these things, psychic experiences, what you can call psychic, about the things happening. She would tell people and everything would happen to them, and she would foresee whatever would happen, an accident or some good thing or bad thing, whatever. So she had strong faith. Natural, no? It's very natural. When everything is happening, all your dreams come true, then you say, oh, this is absolutely right. This is how things are. And then once she had to take her husband to the doctor and she had the same vision. She said, no, don't go to the doctor. Because she was somewhere deep inside, she was afraid to go to doctors if they may drug his husband or something. So she had this vision saying, no, don't go to doctor, he will be all right. You do this, put cold pad on his head, on this and this. She had all these voices and she started doing that. But that husband, diabetes increased, so he lost his eyesight. Now when this thing started happening, then she became so angry that her inner voice or whatever misguided her in many ways. But before one could realize that she had gotten herself into a lot of troubles. You would notice this, most of the psychics and all these people who read others, see their faces, their lives, they are not happy. Have you noticed that? There is not that shining, there is not that brightness. In themselves, they are in lot of trouble. Why? Because they do not know that this is a Yoga Maya. It's an illusion of Maya, it's a sort of illusion. An illusion in the spiritual path, Yoga Maya. There are three types of Maya. Mahamaya, Mohamaya, and Yoga Maya. Mahamaya, deep delusion, lack of awareness, no awareness at all. Mohamaya is extreme attention, craving to the extent of devastation. People have so much anguish, anger, jealousy, all this because of Mohamaya. Extreme, a sense of delusion, deluded mind. And Yogamaya, a sort of hallucination on the path of knowledge, which is not all false, but mixture. So best is to take them as it comes. That is why on the spiritual path, the master's guidance is very essential. Because master can say, no, this is Yogamaya or this is okay. Can testify you. This is fine. This is an illusion, drop it, or this is all right. He can filter it and guide you through it. And moreover, we don't need to go into it. Just be simple, natural, and surrender it to the divine to take over. Everything will happen.